Fort Lauderdale Airport, fire protection repairs in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Our team recently completed a critical fire protection repair project at Fort Lauderdale Airport in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. This comprehensive undertaking involved thorough inspections and necessary repairs to the airport's existing fire safety systems. We meticulously addressed issues in various areas, including fire alarms, sprinkler systems, and emergency signage, ensuring all components meet or exceed current aviation safety standards. The project required careful coordination with airport authorities to minimize disruption to daily operations while maximizing safety improvements. Our work has significantly enhanced the airport's fire readiness, providing an added layer of protection for millions of travelers, airport staff, and valuable infrastructure. This successful completion reaffirms our commitment to maintaining the highest levels of safety in high-traffic, complex environments like Fort Lauderdale Airport. Contact us for a free consultation